Okay, and I think you all are aware. Yeah, so I hope you all are aware about the class timings, right? So we'll share the recording of the class as well. Okay, once the class is over, and then if you have any questions, any concerns, you can connect with us. So Wasim, you please start, and please make the session interactive, guys. If you have any question, please ask and make the session interactive. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Tanvir. Okay. Hi all. I'm sharing my screen. Very good. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay, great. So before I start my Excel course, this is my batch number 5. So do you know have you heard about Excel? What is the purpose of learning Excel? You have
Sir,
seen, yep, yes, please.
I have heard about Excel, but learning for the purpose of Excel, that I do not know.
Okay, no issues. If you don't know, no issues. You can feel free to ask any question regarding Excel. So here we have these types of multiple version, like this is your older version, Excel 2003, 2007, 2010, 2013, 16, and now the current update version is Excel 365. So
Yes.
this version is going on in every companies, if you have noticed. So the main purpose of learning Excel is like how to maintain your data, store your data, like if you have seen in the SQL database. So similarly, we have a spreadsheet of Excel where we can store some types of data, like this is my data. Like if you noticed in the first column, guys, can you please go on mute? Isha? So let me start. So if you notice from the first column, here we have like are you able to understand from the first column till the last column? This is my base data, like in this my data, I have maintained like multiple types of entries of items and location wise, and these are the dates, and I'm maintaining this data. This data I'm preparing, I'm adding, and I'm appending all the data on daily basis. So this is not the real data. This is like just a hypothetical data you can for your real-time example, where you can add, like here we can check the details. Okay, we have some types of items like these items. This is your IT IT data. We are selling these IT items to our customers. In the F column, these are the customers who are buying these laptops. So this is base data we are maintaining. So let me store. So the main thing is on the basis of that data, like this is my base data, I have created this dashboard. Do you know about dashboard in the Excel?
So the dashboard, like where we put in different graphs.
Very good. We have different graphs where we can check the details. We can do some analysis on the basis of graphs. Like here, if you noticed on your screen, I have created some different types of graphs like month-wise sales, location-wise sales, sales percentage, and how many portion from the different types of locations. We have 3 locations.
Sir,
Like,
Yeah.
sir, I believe your screen is stuck.
okay, let me share again. Let me share again. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir, it's okay. No, it's okay.
Is it visible right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As I have shown you the last data. This is my raw data. Like here, we are maintaining my data on daily basis. So everything is depend on your base data. Like here, I'm adding on daily basis, day wise. I'm getting the data from different states like Alwar, Delhi, and Bangalore, and I'm adding. This is my consolidated data of all 3 locations. And on the basis of this data, I have created these types of graphs in front of you, like here. The bottom graph is telling you that how many customers are customer wise we are comparing, which customer is more interesting. on your screen, like Cyberport Communication is the more attractive customer for our company, and the second one is RS Infotech. These are just example for your customers, like these are not the real customers name. These are just I am giving some XYZ companies. So these are our client of these organizations. So on the basis of real time, I am telling you what we can do on the real time projects. So here, so the moment if I click on Delhi, what will happen? Now, still till this point, we are getting the data from all the sites, like from all location, pan India. We are getting the sales from Alwar, Bangalore, Delhi, and these are the serial numbers, and these are the customers. So this is my total sales of all month. The moment if I click on Delhi, now the numbers of graph is changing, and the impact of this changes is impacting my all the graphs. Like if you see, ev- in every graphs numbers are changing. Understood?
Yes.
Now my man
Sure.
my manager saying, Wasim, that is fine, you're showing the data pan India sales you are showing. Now can I get the details of Bangalore? So the moment if I click on Bangalore, sir, this is the data from April to December. This is the sales of Bangalore, not for pan India. And i- if you see in the above, this is 100% portion from the location from Bangalore, and this is the sale. 6 crore 69 lakh 83,572 sales we got from the Bangalore location. And okay, let me down. Which one is the more attractive customer for Bangalore location? Yes, same. Cyberport Communication is interested for Bangalore location. Second one is RS Infotech, and the last one is telling grouping sales amount quantity, these things. So the main purpose of learning Excel is we need to do some check the visualizations and maintain your dashboard on the daily basis. So the moment if you append your data, so this will change on your if you click on laptop, again this will change. Now this is the sales of your laptop. Okay guys, so here, what is my main purpose of teaching Excel? We have three stages of Excel. Three stages. First is shortcut keys. In the shortcut keys, I will be sharing 200 plus shortcut keys in the same group, generic group of Excel. You need to give 10 to 15 minutes on daily basis. If you're working on 5 to 10 shortcut keys on daily basis, this will help you a lot. And second one is formulas. Like we have some beginning to advanced level formulas like here. These are some just examples of your shortcut keys, like basic shortcut keys. These are available in Excel, and customer shortcut keys. And if I drag it to the second stage, that is your formula. Now formula will take 15 to 20 days, and then this is more interesting part of your Excel, because in the interview 10 to 15 questions would be there, and they will be asking like 8 out of 10 which is related to formulas. So formulas is the backbone of Excel as compared to pivot is also like here. This is the part of your pivot table dashboard. On the basis of pivot table slicers, on the basis of graph, we are getting dashboard. But in the interview will be asking the questions which is related to formulas. They will check how you are good in logics. Like here, from the starting one, these are some base formulas like sum, count a, count blank, minimum a, min. What is the difference between, I will let you know these two. And these are some basic formulas. Then advanced formula will be started from VLOOKUP, and some explanation I have written in the left hand side. Find the selective data from the base data on the basis of your lookup value. And second one, H lookup. Then index match, sum ifs, count ifs, if condition, nested if conditional formatting, some product, text function. These are the most interviews ask questions. Some product, count ifs, nested if conditions. In every interview they can ask. And like left function, right function, mid function, concatenate. Mid function is also most complex formulas, large formula. Then after once I will complete uh, the formulas part, then I will start pivot table. Pivot table session will take 1 week for including your dashboard, for completing your dashboard.
Sir, is pivot table same as Power Pivot?
Pivot table, Power Pivot is the extended version of pivot table. Same thing you can create through the data model in the Excel, but in real time project, like most of the time, even I am not using like Power Pivot in my data. But if I have like
Yeah.
10 lakhs of rows, or because in the Excel we have maximum rows is 10,48,576. Suppose if you have
Yeah.
15 lakhs of rows or 20 lakhs of rows, in that case we use Power Pivot for creating data modeling and for reducing your data Excel MB size.
Yeah, sir.
So here in
Sir,
the last,
what
yeah,
happens? Sir,
yeah,
what
yeah.
will happen if we, uh, uh, sir, what will happen if you complete the rows? Like, how do we add another sheet for other rows to add data?
Till this time, in my real time, I have used maximum 7 lakhs or 8 lakhs of rows. What will happen if I will be using? It's a good question from your end. What will happen if I'm using 20 lakhs rows, 40 lakhs of rows, even 1 crore? So in that case, we use Microsoft Access database, because
Yeah.
Microsoft Excel does not have the capability, because there are some limitation. And you can say Microsoft SQL Server is also the part
Yeah.
where we can
Yes, sir.
connect, where we can store this data and we can create some these types of dashboard. So visualizations, this picture will come from your database. Same formulas, like here, for example, I'm opening my real-time data. So on the basis like this, for example, uh, guys, give me 2 minutes, because this is heavy file, so this will take some time. Like in my real-time project, how much data I'm using? I'm using 3,95,544. This is my maximum in my real time. And these are the formulas which I have created. The columns which I have highlighted with the yellow color, from here, these are the requirements columns from the management. So here I have used VLOOKUP, if conditions, nested if error, and these formulas are useful here. So on the basis of this data, I have created some pivot tables like here. Like these are the pivot tables, these are the numbers, and on the basis of these numbers, I have connected my sum is formulas. So on the basis, the moment if I change my data, what will happen? It will impact on this data. So yeah, here three
Sir,
things I have connected here. Yeah, please.
yes, sir, you're doing forecasting here as well.
Not forecasting in my project, not forecasting, but yes, sometimes I have, once I like on the basis of their targets, on the we can do some evaluation. What would be the final? We need like 50 to 60 percentage we can consider on the basis. This is my personal like project. So if I've if my manager is giving some target, so on the basis of the target, the forecasting and prediction would be like 40% of your real number. 40% should be considered, or 50%. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
so this would be the part. So now the current quarter is started. So till this time, I did not get any target. So if I got the target, then I will show you. So how you can do the forecasting. So here from AS column to the BC column, these are the requirement column. So everywhere my formulas are using. Then I have created one pivot table. On the basis of this pivot table is connected with this data, like report, from C column till the last column. Now here I have created, these are the 4 pillars of pivot table. These are the leads, and these are the numbers of Q4, and the numbers we are getting from the base data, because everything is depend on your base data. If your data is clean, Like if your data is clean, if your data is correct, then pivot table will show you the correct number. Understood, guys? So here
Yes.
I have applied like sum if formula. So what is the use of sum if formulas in real time? So let me close my real time workbook from your screen. So I will be sharing some assignments. Then here, then conditional formatting like here. This is also the part of your real time. Like my manager saying, can you please highlight the colors of sales amount like here? If you choose from like current data is October, and if I choose November, in that case, it is auto highlighted. Here, these are my, this is my beginning date, this is my end date. So on the basis, the moment if you change, like right now, I have selected July. Now the numbers are highlighted from July to December in the dynamic way, if you noticed. And the moment if I change to May, now the colors are highlighted. Now my requirement is, can you highlight it single month, like current month? That is October is my current month. So in that case, just select October in the beginning date and select October in the end date. Now single month is highlighting on your screen. So this is the part of your conditional formatting, and this conditional formatting is the extra, like extraordinary thing for modification for your dashboard. Like in the dashboard and dashboard 2, I have created. In the dashboard 2, I have created like data validations, combination of data validations, and these are the some uh, combo box which I have created. I will let you know once I will start conditional formatting. Conditional formatting would be the last topic from your course. So, and second last part is dashboard. Before that, I will start formulas and shortcut keys. So have you understood till this point? Any doubt, any question from your end? Guys, if you have any question, you can ask. Any question, guys? Shall we proceed further for the next step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So these types of things you can create. If you know, this is like more interactive. The moment if you change anything, like here, September to October, my whole sales is highlighted on your screen. September to November. How you can create these types of things? This is just simple separate thing. This is just separate, and this one is separate. These are two parts of conditional formatting. And now let me share my assignments skills. Like here, we have formulas like from here, sum, count, calculation. Now, how to reduce your time? Like if you're doing any task, like for example, if I choose some serial number from here in the separate sheet here, this is my serial number, unique ID, and now my manager is saying, can you please get the details of items against this unique ID? Like if I choose 1178, and if I press Control F is the shortcut key, Control plus F for finding your data. Control F. If I paste the shortcut key, now here we got in the row number 9, in the column number C, here which item is there? Mobile. Now I'm pasting it. Again, if I copy it, and again if I am looking, if okay, like here we have some duplicate entries. For example, just ignore this duplicate entries, and Okay, let me copy this order number or Unix. If I copy unique ID order number, on the basis of order number, this is, we have one desktop. My manager saying, Wasim, can you please show me the details of this listed order numbers? How many items we have sold? Like, what is the exact item against this order number? Understood my concern, my scenario? Guys, understood what I'm telling you? Like he's asking,
Yes.
can I get the details of this order number? Like if you copy it and if I'm pasting, this is my database. Okay, and in the database, we have entries of 7701 in the database. Now, if I copy and paste in my order number, you will get information some like against this order number, we have desktop. Now I'm copying it and I'm creating. He's saying, please fill the item numbers against this order number. Understood?
Sir, can you repeat?
Okay, no issues. So what my manager is saying, my manager is asking, Wasim, can you please fill the item name against this order number? We have 10
Yes.
order numbers and maybe these order numbers are available in this in the base data, like in the 7701 in this
Yes, sir.
data.
पता नहीं नया नंबर था वो।
Yes, sir.
Now the requirement is, can you fill the item name against this order number? Now one approach I'm following in front of you, that is, I'm copying it and I'm pasting. I'm using Control F for finding. Press Control F, and here, if I'm looking, so we got this entry. And what is the exact entry? Against this entry, we have desktop. Now I'm copying
Yes,
it
sir.
and pasting it here. Okay. Till this point, have you understood what I'm doing here?
Yes, sir.
I'm finding order wise, order number wise. On the basis of order number, I'm looking which item is available against this order number. Then I'm pasting it here. So now, suppose if we have 100 number of rows, so should I follow this approach or is there any another way? Because this will take, suppose if we have 100 or 200 entries, order numbers. So in that case, if I follow this approach, this will take 2 or 3 hours. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. It will
If
take
I
too much time, sir.
too much time, it will take maybe 2 hours or 3 hours. So what we can do in that case, this is the manual approach, and never use this approach. If you're working in advanced, if you joined advanced Excel course, never follow this approach, because sometimes they can doubt you are not using advanced Excel or key skills. Okay, so which formulas you can use? VLOOKUP. Okay, now this time I'm not explaining VLOOKUP. What is the meaning of VLOOKUP? This is not my today's topic. I am I'm giving the overview of VLOOKUP. Like first syntax, on the basis of which order number lookup value is by VLOOKUP. Now table array would be my, from which data you are looking, from row data. So table array would be my row data. Now on the basis of order number, I will ignore these columns. I will let you know why I'm ignoring these columns, because I'm just doing something in front of you. Like just ignore what I'm doing. Like if I select till the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, till the 7 columns we have selected. Now the moment if I type 7, because item number is available in the 7 column, so that is the reason I have written 7 number in the column index number. Now we have two figure. All my requirement is exact figure I want. So here we can choose false. Now we got the data desktop. On the basis of VLOOKUP, if I drag it, Within 2 or 3 seconds, I got all the values. Now see the difference. The last approach which I have used, that was taking too much time. And as compared to VLOOKUP took 2 or 3 seconds maximum 5 seconds. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
thank you.
it.
Actually, I'm not telling about, don't be confused. I'm not telling about VLOOKUP. What is VLOOKUP? This is not my today's topic. Like, these things you can do in your real-time project on daily basis if you're working on your assignments. So one by one, I will covering in the upcoming sessions. Today's demo. So in the demo, I will tell you about which types of magical things you can do in your real-time project in Excel. How much time you can save. Understood? On the basis of VLOOKUP. Like, this is the benefit of VLOOKUP. Okay, guys. Now my manager is saying, okay, Wasim, we got the details. Now, can you please tell me the amount of desktop? Okay. What is the exact amount? So in that case, just ignore the formula. If I copy and again, if I'm looking, same thing. Exact amount is 31,448 is the exact amount. If I'm following the same approach, this will take also like 1 hour or 2 hour times. Guys, understood till this point?
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay. So if you're actually I'm asking every time. So if I'm getting the response, so session will be more interactive for me. So that is the reason. So where I'm in which position. Same again. If I'm following the same task, the last approach, manual approach, this will also take. Here we got the data in the row number 9, and my data is 24310. Instead of doing this thing, if I use one formula is there, sum ifs. First change, we need to select numeric values, numeric column. Then second, order number on the basis of order number. Then third one is item. On the basis of which item? On the basis of desktop. Now I'm getting exact data through sum ifs. Understood, guys? This is the benefits of your formulas. You can reduce your time. If we have 100 number of entries, 1 lakh number of entries, so what you can do in that case, you will always use formulas approach, not manual approach. Understood, guys?
Okay, got
Any,
it.
any question till this point? So these are like same things you can do when I will start these formulas in front of you. Okay, these are the formula types. And conditional formatting dashboard, I taught you about in the starting session. Then let me start from shortcut keys. We have some shortcut keys like, so I will be covering some shortcut keys, but other things, this data I will be sharing in the generic group of Excel. You need to analyze in the 2 weekends. You need to analyze what is the meaning of basic shortcut keys and custom shortcut keys, and what are these explanation to open the Excel. Just practice on these shortcut keys. If you're not able to do this, I will explain in the next session. But something I will explain in front of you, that is about Excel. For example, now I saved my Excel. First shortcut key I'm telling you, window R. Give me 2 minutes. This will take like data is taking too much time because this file is heavy. So this will take 2 or 3 minutes maximum. Guys, if you have any kind of question, you can ask, okay, regarding Excel sessions. And within, like, for this, today is your day one, and you will see the changes in after 30 days. Once I will complete the sessions, then you will see. Then in the month of November, you will see the changes, how much you have learned from this duration course. Before I'm going to start shortcut keys, let me explain one more thing, that is about assignments. For example, as I taught you some overview, like regarding VLOOKUP, these are some Excel questions assignments. After one session, I will be sharing like what is the difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, in which formula we use row index number. These are some syntax questions of VLOOKUP. In the interview, they can ask in which formula you will use mid dollars, these things, like question from question number 1 to question number 5. Now here one scenario I have given, like this is your base vertical data, this is your base data, short base data, for your good understanding. And here you need to apply VLOOKUP, and you need to practice it. You need to apply VLOOKUP and get the data. Like if I choose VLOOKUP here from this part, and name is available in the second column.
Yes, sir.
Then I got the details. This is these are the roll numbers, and these are the students name. Same things you can copy it and change it like one by one. 2 3 like mass is available from 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in the 7th position. So here I will type 7. So I got the exact result 84 against this. So these types of questions you need to resolve. I will be sharing after each session. I will be sharing these types of questions, like this is my VLOOKUP, and on the other side horizontal, this is your HLOOKUP data. This is your horizontal data, and full form of VLOOKUP is vertical lookup. So VLOOKUP is always depend on your vertical data. Same thing. Then these are some questions for the next level. VLOOKUP 1.1 and 1.2. Then index match. Like here, I have given some explanation regarding index match. Assignment number 8. If you see, same types of questions. For example, we have 30 sessions, and if I'm giving 7 to 8 questions in every session, so 7 3 21, it means 200 questions. Once you will complete 200 questions from this course, then you will easily crack any kind of interview which is related to Excel. And in today's time, in every companies, most of the companies are asking, do you know about advanced Excel? Do you know about pivot table? Do you know about sum is conditional formatting, dashboards, and complex formulas like some product, some ifs? So they will be asking Excel primary, then with Excel, SQL is mandatory and Power BI is mandatory if you are looking for like data analyst profile. So Excel is also the important part, like Power BI and SQL. In most of the time they can ask, like here I have given some this is my index match data. Index match is complex as compared to VLOOKUP, but this is more powerful than VLOOKUP, more powerful function than VLOOKUP. Like these are some sessions one by one on daily basis. I will be sharing, like this is my COUNTIFs topics. So COUNTIFs topics, this is my separate tabs for COUNTIFs, and these are some scenarios which is related, like COUNTIFs. These types of questions like filters and COUNTIFs, you need to resolve it from here. Then this is your if conditions data test. If condition is most asking questions in the interview, they can ask, like if condition, nested if conditions, like on the basis of your score, please get the status of rank. Like here I have applied multiple if conditions, and I'm getting first rank distinct function. Like here The score of this student is 100. I'm getting first rank. And these are the slabs. Marks criteria, status is first rank, grading status is outstanding. Then second slab is 90 to 99, second rank. Then third is 80 to 89, very good. Then less than 40, status is fail, grading is poor. If I type here 35, this will change according to this number because this formula is depend on this number. Now what is seeing on your screen? On the basis of this number, I got the data is failed. If you type 50, status is second division. If I type 94, 94 is second rank. Even if I type 99, second rank. But if I type 100, first rank. If you type 75, you will get distinction status. If you type 60, first division. So these all are working on the basis of if condition. These are most important and most interesting part of your Excel. Then last complex things here. I have combined if condition with VLOOKUP. So every value I have combined and two tables I have combined here on the basis of above table. If I change something like Raj is available here I'm getting distinction because here we have 77. If I type 100, now the status is changed because the data of this formula is connected in the above. Like, understood guys? If I type any value 56, the status is changing. Guys, understood? These types of assignments I will be sharing, like apply the conditions and get the status of pass and fail. And according to status, any one of them is matching with logical operator should be true, means pass. And question number 9, get the tax percentage and tax amount as per their salary. Like here I have some salaries like these. This is yearly salary 2,47,869. Here I have some slabs. Like if the salary is less than 3 lakh, then you will get some out message. This guy is not eligible for tax because the salary is less than 3 lakh. But if you type 3,50,000, now this is my tax amount because 3,50,000 is the 5%. And how did I get this amount? This multiply 5%. Same thing I'm getting. 17,500 is the 5% yearly taxes of this salary. Understood, guys? If I type,
Got it.
if I type any question, someone was asking any question.
Nothing.
Okay. Now here, if you type here something like 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Like, sorry, in the wrong column I have written. If you type here 6 lakh, 10% salary tax amount of 6 lakh is 60,000. This is your yearly taxes. 60,000 will be deducted from this salary account. From this, understood? Because these slabs. So same things here. I have also applied if conditions because these types of interviews questions they can ask, and these are more complex as compared to interview questions. If you are able to do these types of questions, you can easily correct. Understood, guys? Shall we start shortcut keys? If you understood my concept of Excel, like how many parts are there, shortcut keys, formulas, and dashboards. Shall we start shortcut keys, guys? If you're comfortable.
You can start.
Okay. So now from this is my first shortcut key. If I press window R, the meaning of window R is to open the Excel workbook. If I press window R, you have seen these types of pop up on your screen like run option. And this is not only used for Excel. Here you can type notepad. Like if you type notepad will open on your screen. So shortcut key is window R, and here you can type Excel and press enter. Now this is my fresh workbook. The name of this workbook is book 1. Guys, understood how you can open your new workbook?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Through
Window R,
Yes, sir.
window plus R.
Window plus R is the shortcut key. By window R, you can press. We have another shortcut key is there like control R. I will let you know about like what is the difference between window R and control R. Both are opening the same Excel workbook, but there is a one big difference between these two. Like window R, here I have opened it. But right now, if I type again window R for book number 2 will be opened. And if I type here, I have already written Excel, just press enter. Book 2 will be open on your screen. Understood? The new book is opened on your screen. But if I choose another approach, like another shortcut key for opening new workbook, in that case, you don't need to use window R. Like if any workbook is active on your screen, then this shortcut key will be active, will be working. Else this approach is useful. Like currently I have how many Excels I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Excel workbooks are active on your screen. Okay. Now if I press Control N, now the new workbook is opened on your screen.
Sir, did you do Control N inside Excel?
Control N inside Excel.
Yes, sir.
Control N inside Excel. This is my Excel and I'm in the inside of Excel. Here I'm using Control N. I opened book number 4. Now the
Yes, sir.
fourth workbook is open. And until if your Excel is active on your screen, just note this point. Like on the basis of which method this shortcut is working. If any workbook, like you can say any workbook is active on your screen, is active or open on your desktop or laptop, on your system, you can say, then this shortcut key will be working. Control N would be better as compared to window R, because this will take 1 second. Just press Control N, then we open book 5. Now I'm closing all the data in front of you. Just give me one moment. I'm closing. Just let me save dashboard, assignment, and copy of Excel. Okay. No issues. I'm closing all the workbooks at one time. Now if you noticed, I don't have any Excel. No workbook is open on my Excel on my screen. Guys, understood what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You closed all the Excel books.
At one time.
And yes, and
Yes.
now you're going.
Now, this time, if I press Control N, Control N is not working, is not opening my Excel. Understood? Now this time Control N is disabled. So in this scenario, only in this scenario, window R is better than Control N. just press Control N and type here Excel, then OK. Now please enter. Now book one is closed. Book one is opened. Now again, if you type window R, this will take more time as compared to Control N. Like right now, again I'm opening book number 2, window R. Here I have written just OK. 2 or 3 seconds is taking for opening book number 2 from book number. And if I press Control N instead of window R, only 1 second. This shortcut key took 1 second for opening your book number 3. Understood, guys?
Yes,
What is the difference between these two shortcut keys?
yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
Control
good.
and works inside Excel and is more quicker.
Yes, Control. Whenever your workbooks are open or active, any workbook, in that case, always use Control N. Control N. But if all the workbooks are open, in that case, if you want to open any Excel, any fresh Excel, in that case, you don't need to search MS Office from search option box. In that case, just press. Like in this scenario, window R is better than Control N. Understood? I will be sharing this question in your
Hello.
first assignment. Yes, please.
Suppose Excel is open and minimized, then still we can use Control N.
Yes, you can if the Excel is open and minimize it. But
Yes.
till this point, Excel is active on your screen, no? Because
Okay.
doesn't matter
Okay.
if you have minimized it, like here, if I minimized it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Till the Excel is open. But if like here, now I have minimized it right now on this screen. Now these two workbooks are open, but these two are inactive. Now your screen is now the screen of Excel are inactive. Now this screen is active. In that case, if you press Control N, this will be not working. So just click here, active your any workbook. Now here you can press Control N multiple times. Now within 7 or 6 seconds, I open all the workbooks. Shall we start the next another shortcut key? If you understood, if you got this point of shortcut keys.
Okay, got it. If any Excel is open, Control N is working. If not is open in any Excel, otherwise we can use it window plus R.
Window one. If there is no active workbook on your screen,
Okay, no
in
active.
that case, press window R. Window R is
Window
better.
R. Okay, okay.
Scenario wise, you
Scenario.
will get the output. Every scenario, I will teach you which formula, which shortcut key is useful as compared to another one, and where another one will be failed in that scenario.
Okay.
In every part, in every topic, I will teach you in the upcoming sessions.
Okay, got it.
Great. So let me open the.
Hey Wasim,
Hi Danish. Yes, please.
if there any other way to open a new Excel, like we press window, or if there any other way?
Yes, we have another way, like mouse. You can use,
Right
for
click.
example, right click. You can, or you can, like for example, here you can go to your file, and here you can open. Option is there, and from here you can type. Like here we have multiple types of Excel. Which Excel you want to open? Just click on that. Like I would like to open this option. Like just click on this option. Now this Excel is open. This is the another way, like this way. And if you don't know, like if no Excel is active on your screen, in that case, what you can do, you can type here like raw data. You will get same data from here, from the search option, and just click on here. Understood?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, great. And now I'm not able to find one Excel. Like here in the downloads option, one issues I'm facing. Like here, one Excel was active on a screen, but I'm not able to find it. So what is the easy approach is just type the same workbook, copy of practice Excel notebook. This Excel file I was looking for. Copy of Excel practice note, batch number 5, batch 5. You can see. Now these two shortcut keys we have done, and we have another way for opening Alt FNL. Like Control N is better than this shortcut key, but this shortcut key is available in your Excel. Where is that? Just press Alt, then press F, then here press N, and press L. Now the again new workbook is open. This is the another third approach. This is also the shortcut key. That is the reason the name of this shortcut key is basic shortcut keys, and the name of this Control N is custom shortcut keys. Understood? These all shortcut keys are available on your Excel. Like if you press Alt, you will get these options. F is the shortcut key of File tab. H is the shortcut key for Home tab. Insert is the shortcut key for like N is the shortcut key for Insert. P useful page layout. These all shortcut keys are active on your screen. Just press H, and just if you want to color this cell, just press H. Which color you want to choose by scrolling your keys arrow. On the basis of keys arrows, you are changing your color. Now press enter. Now we have highlighted this cell. So this is also the part of your basic shortcut keys. These all are available. Okay, I will be sharing this shortcut keys in the same groups, and other than there are 239 shortcut keys of in the PDF. So just give your 10 to 15 minutes on daily basis for learning shortcut keys. I'm not saying that you need to learn every shortcut key is mandatory. 30 to 40 shortcut keys is enough for your real-time project. Okay, and focus on formulas and dashboards as compared to shortcut keys. But shortcut keys will also reduce your time. So this is complete in today's session. Monday I will teach you like just research on other shortcut keys. I will like we will research like I will resolve. You can resolve from your end like this shortcut key, but some things I will tell you from here. Then formula will be started from the day 3, like here. Some formulas like calculate the sum of numeric values. What is the difference between these two values, count and count A? What is the difference between minimum and minimum A? What is count blank? These types of basic formulas we will be completing in the day 3. Then from the day 4 we will be starting dollar concept. This is more important concept in everywhere, in every formulas. Like we look up till the last, we have 30 to 35 formulas. In every formulas, concept of dollar function is mandatory. If you're not using dollar function, you will get in trouble. Understood? So I have done from my side. So thing, and if you want to continue, you can connect with admin. They will let you know for the upcoming session. Next session will be on Monday. Okay, guys. If you want to continue.
Yeah,
So
what is the timing?
timing is the same timing, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And this is for Monday to Friday sessions every day, and Saturday, Sunday are off. No sessions on weekends. And I will be sharing after one session, I will be sharing the questions which is related to your last topic. Like if I have covered VLOOKUP in today's topic, then I will be sharing some questions, 5 to 6 questions, which is related to your VLOOKUP. That would be really helpful for your practice.
And also, if in case if you are not able to find the solution, you will discuss that in the next class.
If you're not able to find the solution, I will resolve those scenarios in front of you. Okay, I will let you know about how many approaches are there, which approach is better than the another one, these things. And if
Okay.
you forgot,
And also, you will provide the solutions
yes,
separately, just
yes.
for our
So
reference.
if you I will take sometimes and I will provide this solution on your personal window. If you want, if you connect in the some different type in the different time, then I will connect in that time. Okay, if I'm available, you will get the resolution from my end.
Okay. Is this curriculum is sufficient to be good at Excel?
Yes, curriculum is like Excel. Some parts like you need to highlight like if conditions, some products on your CV, because these are more valuable formulas. Some product if conditions, pivot table, dashboards. If you have written on your curriculum, so recruiter will be noticing you and they will be connecting with you through call or through email. Like, understood? These
And
type of,
also at the, I mean, like at the end of the class or in the middle,
no,
you
no,
would
no.
suggest us to what keywords we can have it on the resume also, right?
Yes, after once I will complete this session, then after that I will teach you how you can correct your interviews, because one of the participants has given me interviews question, and he resolved and he got shortlisted in the organization. Same like 8 to 9 questions they have asked, which is related to my course, like some products, some ifs, tax functions, conditional formattings, pivot tables, and VLOOKUPs, index match. These all questions were asked in the interview. One of the participants has
What is
told
the
me,
other one? Sorry, what is the other one you're telling? DAX, huh?
index match. DAX is the part of your Power BI as well
Yeah,
as your
yeah.
data modeling. DAX is the part of your Power BI. Even you can use in Excel, but if you're using data modeling, but if you know the concept of DAX in Power BI, you can easily use in Excel as well as. But most of the time, DAX function is useful for Power BI, not
Power
for
BI.
Excel.
Yeah, correct,
No,
correct.
So in the Excel, these things are most interviews question, like index match would be asking VLOOKUPs and left mid function, right functions, and text to columns. These things
Okay.
which I'm showing on your screen. Okay, these things one by one. I will teaching you what is the exact scenario, because in the last 8 years of experience, I faced too many complex scenarios. Same types of examples I will be sharing with you in the upcoming sessions.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So thank you guys and happy weekend.
And one last question. Like after
Yeah, sure.
this, once the course is completed, will you give us any kind of a real-time project?
Yes, I will be sharing real time of project, because this is your real time project. Which one? Raw data. And every point, everything. If I'm giving one example, every point is the part of a real time project, because this is like real time project data, and I will be sharing just this is your raw data, and create your these types of dashboard like from your end.
Okay.
Okay, I will be sharing one raw data, and I will be sharing this screenshot in front of you. Just create these types of dashboard on the basis of your raw data. Raw data is here. Every data, everything is available in your raw data. But you need to know how to create your
Build.
data, build these types of visualization. This is your Excel visualization. Any
Okay.
question, guys?
Timetable will be morning session available. Morning 7:30 to 8:30 or 8
Right now,
or possible.
actually, right now, only one timing is fixed, that is for evening, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. But I will connect with admin, which is for mornings sessions. But one time is fixed. Now the day two will be started from. This is your evening time, like 8 to 9 p.m. My current batch. But I will discuss and I will start after some time for morning batch as well. Understood? I will connect with the admin, whi- which is
Like if
related to
we
morning.
like if it will be good if we can have a poll, like how many are interested in morning and evening. Based on that count, you can take a decision.
Let me check with the admin, but right now, for last batch 3 to 5, one timing is fixed, but let me check for morning. If the morning is available, then I will teach morning as well as if we have.
Okay. Okay then.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks for time, guys. See you in tomorrow session, on Monday. Okay.
You have
There is
given
no
wonderful
session.
session for
Uh,
them.
uh, yes, I will. Let me check with admin. Else, I will be sharing one more link with them. Okay. And if you have any kind of
So,
issue, you
like, do
can
we get
connect.
this recorded session to just
Yes.
see?
If you forgot to join, if you are not available in any day, then you will get the recording sessions on daily basis. One tool is there, Graphy. So you
Mhm.
will get the access of Graphy tools. Then you will enter. You need to log in the Graphy session. Then every recording is available in your Graphy tools, where you can watch and you can, and every assignment will be sharing in the generic groups in the target group, that is the permanent target group of Excel batch. Then same attachment will be available in the graphic online graphic tools, from where you can download this.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
One more thing, is it 30 days course? Matlab, how many days it required to complete?
Maximum 30 to 33 maximum, not more than.
It's a
Because
30 days regular session, is it?
regulars excluding Saturday, Sunday, because last batch I have started from 1st of September and I have completed on 10th, 11th of October, the last batch.
Oh, 40
Uh,
days.
so
Okay.
you can say 1 to 1.5 month, the course will be completed, because Saturday, Sunday there is no session, na? So I'm not continuing every day from Monday to Sunday, because we need to take some rest. So Saturday, Sunday are off. Okay.
Correct. 8 to 9 is the batch, no?
Yeah, 8
PM.
to 9 is the batch. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks for your time. Happy weekends, guys. I will be sharing some assignments and course shortcut keys in the same group. Okay, guys.